All right, what I'm going to show you today is how to use Timesheet Ninja for Suite CRM and create a professional services invoice from the time that you capture in it. So the first thing we're going to do, this is a good example of you run a business and you bill your customers by the hour, and you have your users in Timesheet Ninja tracking their time against any work that they're performing. And so you're at the point where you want to build a customer, and what you're going to do is in Suite CRM, you're going to go to the admin panel. You're going to pick the user or the employee that is actually submitting time. In this case, I'm going to pull up the record. And if you have admin access, you can actually set the hourly rate. So in this case, this person's rate is 120 per hour. So that's going to be the rate that we put here in the hourly rate field. We're going to save that. And now we're going to bill for all of her time throughout the coming month. So this is the point when we're going to actually invoice the customer. So we're going to go to Timesheet Ninja Reporting. And what we're going to do is using the query fields that you see here is going to query for any time that she has logged this month, right? This is the employee, and we're going to search for that. And from here, we're going to see all the records of the time entries that she's entered in Timesheet Ninja. And you'll see all that listed here. And what we're going to do is quickly create an invoice from this so we can send it to the customer. So we're going to highlight all the records for that month. We're then just going to click this drop down and choose Create Invoice. What this is going to do is use the invoice module in Suite CRM to create an invoice, and we're going to do this invoice for company ABC, and we're going to send this invoice out to them. We could put any parameters like the due date, etc. But the details that you really want to evaluate are right here at the bottom. As you can see, this feature actually automatically groups all those time entries and itemizes them out into this invoice. So you'll see the hours logged, and it does all the multiplication based on that hourly rate to get you the total that you'll bill to the customer. This saves you a lot of time in not only tracking your employees' time, but then tying that time into billable work. And you'll see the group total for this invoice is $2,667. And so what I'm going to do is make sure that those entries are accurate, and I'm going to click Save. And once I click Save, you can do a bunch of things from here. You can email the client your PDF invoice. So you can email it. If you want to take a look at what that invoice looks like, you can just launch it right within your browser, right? And so this is kind of how it looks like. And so you see this is the official invoice. It takes the time out of manually calculating invoices to your customers for time that your team is logging in Timesheet Ninja. I hope this is beneficial. Thank you.